present scenario, particularly under the COVID situation, people are now more reluctant to use, the packaged foods and the processed food. So if you go in the backside of this scenario, you will see there is a lot of opportunity in various applications like storage systems and food processing unit or something like that, where the refrigeration is fully involved. So I think there is a huge coming up. Particularly, even if you see yesterday's remarks from ministers, distribution for vaccine is a very big challenge for all the developing countries, where, the refrigeration is the most critical part. So I think there is a huge applications and huge market potentials in India as far as the refrigeration system is involved in various sectors.
All right. Okay. Okay. Can you tell us the major expectations of clients from an industrial refrigeration system manufacturer, and how do you meet those expectations?
Normally, people come in this field as a diversification. There are 2-3 segments. One segment is the people who are doing the expansions. Okay, so they are a little bit familiar with the systems. So for them, it's very easy to convince and deliver the things as per the requirements. The second aspect is, the people who are coming from diversification from their existing business, looking to the opportunities. Where there is some challenges, so we have to explain them the advantage of the different kind of concepts, the machineries, and with the help of internet, now everything is world is very small and is very global. So if you give the details to the customer, that these are the options, these are advantage, disadvantage of this particular equipment or systems, then they adopt the systems. And what people are adopting more and more energy saving systems and efficient systems nowadays. They are not only looking for the price, but they're also looking for, the efficiency of the systems, durability of the system, reliability of the systems, and also they observe now the competent tendency of the suppliers also.
All right. Okay. Can you tell us the major factors that differentiate your company from the other players in this particular segment?
See, as far as NSSPL is concerned, we are in this field for the last 22 years, and we are doing the projects across the India and outside India also. So, from the day one, we have our very clear motto about the quality and the services. NSSPL is presently known in the market for their innovations of the technology, products, and the excellent services, after-sales services. NSSPL is the only company, I will tell you a very clear example. There are some players who also supply cold storage technology, but nobody is delivering the post-storage solutions, where NSSPL is a key player and it make a differentiate from other suppliers. We also guide our clients how they have to store the products, where they can get these quality products, where they can sell these products. Because of this, all the supports, the viability of the project is increased and the risk of failure goes to minimum. So this is the major factor where NSSPL is very different from the other suppliers.
All right. Okay. So can you tell us about the various products and services you offer in this particular landscape?
Can you say again?
Can you elaborate on the various products and services that you offer in this particular landscape, in this particular segment?
See, we are a very focused company. We are very focused on post-harvest solutions. Now, these solutions include from farm to fork. Mm-hmm. Like NSSPL is the first company now introducing a very good quality of harvesters, which is a must in India. Our lot of wastage is started right from the farm level, where we don't have the mechanization systems available. And the NSSPL is, keeping all the Indian tractors, like we have a small tractors, we have a small farmers for land bank. So keeping these points and the limiting factor in the mind, we develop the product. So that is, our product is more useful. Like, there are some companies who make this kind of product, European companies, but the requirement of the tractors to run this machine is very big, like 100 HP, which is not available in the market. So NSSPL is very focused how to make these products very user friendly or more applicable. Also, we design the products. We use the top quality components. We have in-house designings and R&D facilities. Perhaps NSSPL is the only company in India who has own R&D systems. Like we are working on plasma treatment, where we are going to treat fruits and vegetables with plasma to do de-inspecting and remove all the impurities from the surface. This is the key points where NSSPL is far different from other competitors and companies.
All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mr. Yogesh. So, can you tell us about the overall journey of the company?
So, NSSPL has started their journey from 1998-99. With almost, we can say, 5 people. Now we are in this field for last more than 22 years. Manufacturing facilities, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, Ahmedabad, near Ahmedabad, with more than 200 and plus people, having in-house manufacturing facilities, design systems, and gradually we have grown. We are also, tied up with global companies who are the best leader in their particular segments. The NSSPL has made ties with them to bring the best technology to India and to benefit the farmers. So NSSPL is also continuously, focus on the development and the new development of the product as per the market requirements. Like we have also started manufacturing, IQF equipments and the harvesters, which are very critical. The sorting reading lines, the mechanizations of systems for handling different fruits and vegetables, which is not easily available in India. So NSSPL is very focused on the applications and the products. And the 22 years we have developed various kind of products, which is very useful for the market. Also, timely we are tied with global products, so we can improve the overall performance of the systems and the projects. And NSSPL is continuously, focus on growth and introducing new products into the fields. With the same experience and expertise, NSSPL now also globally working in the Middle East, in the African countries, Asian countries. We have successfully installed large capacity projects in these countries also. So NSSPL.
Hello.
Component and services.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, it's audible now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Yogesh. So, can you tell us about your current project and also about your future expansion plan?
So currently NSSPL is handling more than 100 crores worth of 100 crores projects, even in these COVID situations. And we feel that there is a bright future for all the people involving in the food sectors and the processing sectors, where more and more people are coming in these fields, and also the awareness is a very key factor. So people are looking for more processed and packed foods. So we see a very bright future in coming days. We are flourished with the very good orders. As I mentioned, more than 100 crores order on hand. And we are also now bringing a very good two products in India. Like we are now bringing post harvesters, which are used in the field for harvesting fruit, vegetables like potatoes, onions, which is not easily available in India. So this year's NSSPL has a major plan for the expansions and introduce new products.
All right. Okay. Okay, Mr. Yogesh. So I think I'm done with my set of questions. So do you have any other additional information to add?
Yes, I would like to mention that, with as the opportunities coming in a big way in these sectors, it is, it's a responsibility of suppliers like us that we have to deliver very good quality components and the services to the end client, so they can, take the benefit of their investment and they can deliver a good product to the market. So thereby we can serve the farmers as well as the end users, like the consumers. And if we focus in this way, I think within 3-4 years, India has a major opportunity in this post-harvest sectors. And we can also, fulfill the dream of our honorable PM. He wants to doubling the income of farmers. This is the best way to serve the nation. That is what I feel.